Welcome to Construction Professions here at Weston College. You're very welcome to come on a little tour with us and have a look at our facilities. Come on. So in this room, this is where you'll do your Cad work and some of our BIM work as well. And you can see here a typical model of some of the stuff that we would get up to, where we're building 3D models on the computer using the latest software that's used in industry. You'll get access as well as a student to our Microsoft Office package, which is really great and will help you get a professional head start in your chosen field. Come with me and I'll show you some of the other rooms we've got. So this is our lab where we'll do quite a lot of your practical work, and I'll introduce you now to Francis, who's one of your lecturers.
Nice to meet you. This is our civil engineering lab, and in here we've got an array of equipment. We'll start from there. There you have our array of structural engineering equipment. You can see equipment for testing beams, for testing columns, and also for testing bridges. There we can determine the strength of a bridge, the strength of a beam, the strength of the column, or for sustainable infrastructure. And if you move on from there, you will see our array of geotechnical equipment. These equipment are for testing soil, characteristics of the soil, the strength of the soil, drainage, permeability, and all properties of soil. We know soil is a very important component of the built environment. And if you come right down here, you will see our array of material testing equipment. Those are for testing things like concrete, timber, steel, and whatever it is for construction. Without knowing the strength of some of these things, we will struggle to build sustainable houses. And if you move down there, you will see our array of hydraulic equipment. Those are for applied hydraulics. That's our workbench. And from there, you can see flow taking place. That's hydraulic jump. And here you can determine the safety and the strength of hydraulic structures like dams, works, bridges, and everything you can think about. And here you can also see pipe works. From here you can measure pipes, pressure pipes. This is very good for water supply, very good for public health, and very good for infrastructure in general. So you can't underestimate what we can do in here. And it's all about career development, it's all about learner progress and everything you would want to think about.
So this is our concrete lab where we make our concrete. I'll hand you over to Baka, one of our other staff, just to explain what goes on here.
Hi Josh, welcome to the concrete lab. Actually we are using this lab to bring the concrete mixes and use some of the non-destructive tests. We have this here stamp tool which we used for the stamp test, and this is used to measure the consistency of the concrete before it sets. Later we use these cubic moles for casting the concrete, and later we take these concrete specimen to the cubic tank, as you can see here, which is provided with the heater to provide the temperature of the concrete specimen with the temperature of the room. Also we have here some of the devices regarding to the surveying. We have here two devices used in the leveling surveying. The first one is the dumping level, and the second one is the laser level, where we can get the elevations and the levels of any point. Also we have here the the theodolite device, which is used to measure the angular measurement of the horizontal angles and the vertical angles. And we have here, I call it the universal device, which is the total station. This is the new elevation, almost the new elevation of the total station, which is also provided with this prism and this receiver. We can use actually a lot of things here with this device regarding to the linear surveying, regarding to the level surveying and angular measurements, so we can measure the distances, the horizontal angles, the vertical angles, and of course levelings. All of these devices are used actually in the surveying, which is connected to Unit 6 for level 3.
Great,
Thank
thanks,
you.
Baka.
Thank you.
Come on this way. So thanks for joining us on our virtual tour of your campus, and hope that you like what you've seen here. We've got some superb materials and some superb staff as well. So why join us at Weston? Well, firstly, we've got great success rate. Secondly, we've got great progression up into HE. And thirdly, you get industry placement, which allows you out in your second year to go and spend a really good quality amount of time in industry, honing your skills. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.